Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So beautiful. Wow. Look at heaven, guys. So really nice. I'm gonna take this video today. Please watch it. See. And if you
Wow,
like,
beautiful,
please
awesome,
comment,
mind
subscribe, like
blowing.
my channel. And you can also share video.
The weather
This is
so
new.
beautiful.
You can have free
Boarding
blackberry.
many
Blueberry
people.
farm.
The weather
Wow.
is really
I'm
bad.
really enjoying this
It's gonna be
having this
rain.
place and video.
But really, it's
Wow,
beautiful.
so nice.
And people are
Melbourne.
recording,
Call them Melbourne.
taking video. So we're gonna take video.
Wow. Wow. You can see this flower and so now blossoming and so people are watching. They're looking, taking video and TikTok and picture for Instagram, maybe many. For YouTube channel, maybe. The more thing, the important thing is the people are very enjoying much and seeing them like very happy and fresh and peace of mind here because so beautiful and nature, flower, yeah, wow. You can see people here, couple, the special couple come and some maybe family, some single like Asmi. Me, I am here alone. Just shooting, just shoot here and video.
gonna be rain. People are running.
Wow. My block stuff. This is time like 5:30 and 6 o'clock almost. Yeah, after 5 o'clock anyway. But before that, sometimes sunny day if Sunday is too hot. But after 4:30, 5 o'clock will be very nice, beautiful because sun is go down. So a little bit and so cool, so you can really relax and enjoy it. That's the way people here are coming and relaxing, taking picture. Here you can have some country, some favorite birds. Yeah, guys, they're really nice. So this is lotus flower. Is not now, not yet. Well, yeah, this is beautiful tree and birds. Some tiny birds and spending here time and making very nice, beautiful. I'm gonna show you this tree, under the tree, some birds, nature, birds. Yeah, it's so nice. Ah, this is in fact theme park. So in Bangkok, it's a beautiful park. You can entry just the church entry only for 10 bucks. You can spend whole day, like in morning to like 7 p.m. You can enjoy inside. There is many lakes and there are some crocodile, not crocodile, but lizards and some coconut trees, and there is beautiful lake, like a river. There can be boating. You can rent 30-60 baht, like hours, and yeah, it's so beautiful. You can see that's there in some like a museum. I saw something but I never went because at the time I was late a little bit, so this is really beautiful, awesome coconut trees, and somewhere in the beautiful flowers, blooming rose, and tree, birds. The weather is so a little bit cloudy, gonna be rain maybe, so it's still not, but before a little bit, this is rolling birds. They are so cute and nice. Wow, flying away. This is the lake, and yeah, almost sun is go down. This is like 5 after 5 p.m. This is this, and 6 o'clock. This is 6:30 almost. You can see sun's go down. I mean sunset. So yeah, it's really beautiful and it look amazing. So nice. Sun's set down, sun's down, go down. So beautiful views is seen. So I'm gonna taking just clipping video from the wall and the museum. Actually, this is museum house. This is people are there exercising, running, jogging, and enjoying. Some couple come and sit and relax. Special weekends, so beautiful in evenings. The sky is so clean. Guys, if you're in Bangkok, you can come and enjoy this called King Park or So Luang Khao in Phasa Thai language. I'm gonna show you this is from above and down the flat area and decoration like a nature and trees and somewhere is flower like a garden, so beautiful garden, and people are walking, special exercise, and like especially in evening, so nice because not hot. So they're also in beautiful toilet, bathroom, restroom, and you can buy some drinks. Somewhere is food also, but not a restaurant. Yes, so really beautiful. This is my blog.
Wow,
I'm making
beautiful,
blog,
guys.
you guys.
This is really
Thank you so
amazing.
much for watching, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. I mean, please subscribe my channel for the next video. The people are special and enjoying. This is evening, almost 6:40 now. You can say after 6 p.m. Here is nice, so amazing, awesome views, and the boating people, the boating, they're also in the water and fishes. Sometimes they jump out, come out. Yeah. It's amazing. You see people are sitting and enjoying watching views evening. Views amazing. This is another and behind next. It's a beautiful like a garden. They're growing up some plant. The flowers many and some is small like special nice trees. I don't know the tree's name, but I'm gonna show you guys. You can recognize this. What is this? Trees, so beautiful, and there is, you see, like a moonlight. It is very clean. This place is so nice. People are walking and just enjoying watching views, night, I mean evening views. So yeah, this is, you can see stone and some meridian flowers and some planet. Sometimes the birds singing and screaming here like roving birds, white and black birds. Yeah, yeah, so nice, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you. Bye bye.